Hello guys, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In today's video, I'll show you step-by-step process of how you can log in to Amazon credit card. So first, open your browser. Now after opening your browser, click on the search bar and type amazon.sys.com. Now it will lead you to a page. Here we can see Amazon logo, which tells that you are on the right page. Here on the left side you can fill up your information from where you can log in. Now type in your user ID. Now type in your password. If you want to save your information on the browser, you can click on this box. Now if you have forgot your user ID, you can click on this link, and if you have forgot your password, you can click on password. If you don't have an account yet, you can click on register or apply. Now click on secure login, and this is it. Following this simple step, you are now able to log in to Amazon credit card. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below. Thank you.